1. A series of the observations were carried out in the classroom. 2. A visit to the Design Museum is of great value. 3. A world expert in financial management will give a guest lecture. 4. A world-renowned expert on economics and marketing will give a lecture. 5. Academic libraries across the world are steadily incorporating social media. 6. All industries are a system of inputs, processes, outputs, and feedback. 7. An effective business manager is always open to new ideas. 8. Banks charge interest on the money they lend to customers. 9. Consumer confidence has a direct influence on sales. 10. Criminal charges will be brought against all of the men.
11. Experts are now able to forecast weather over a much longer period. 12. Farmers need to adapt to the changes in climate. 13. Farming methods across the world have greatly developed recently. 14. Food containing ample calories provides little or no nutritional value. 15. Food has become a political issue in the world. 16. Food that contains antibiotics provides little or no nutritional value. 17. He landed a job in a very prestigious law firm. 18. Honey can be used as food and a health product. 19. It is a debate about the value of knowledge. 20. It is an integrated course with several main elements. 21. Leaving valuable possessions unattended in public place is risky. 22. Lectures are the oldest and the most formal teaching method at university. 23. Many birds migrate to warmer areas for the winter. 24. Many university lectures can now be viewed on the internet. 25. Marine environments have been destroyed through pollution and unsustainable development. 26. Most scientists believe that climate change threatens the lives on Earth. 27. New materials and techniques are changing the style of modern architecture. 28. New media have transcended traditional national boundaries. 29. One of the election promises is to decrease income taxes. 30. Optional tutorials are offered in the final week of the term. 31. Our courses help improve critical thinking and independent learning skills. 32. Our professor is hosting the Business Development Conference. 33. Packaging is very important to attract the attention of a buyer. 34. Parents are financially responsible for their children right up until they reach adulthood. 35. Photography can be very useful to geographical research. 36. Plants are able to continue growing throughout their lives. 37. Radio is a popular form of entertainment throughout the world. 38. Research shows that exercising makes us feel better. 39. Social media is criticized for causing internet addiction. 40. Statistical results should be expressed in different ways depending on the circumstances. 41. Students are advised that the lecture today has been cancelled. 42. Sugar is a compound including carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen atoms. 43. Summer school programs allow some students to accelerate their studies. 44. The academic strength of the early Roman Republic will be examined. 45. The business policy seminar includes an internship with a local firm. 46. The celebrated theory is still the source of great controversy. 47. The course includes a combination of pure and applied mathematics. 48. The course will help students to improve their pronunciation skills. 49. The dance department stages elaborated performances each semester. 50. The digital camera has some advantages over traditional film.